Want to activate Elementor Pro on your WordPress site? In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start designing like a pro in no time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Just a heads up, I've put my Elementor affiliate link in the description. If you're planning to get it anyway, I'd really appreciate the support. Start by opening your browser and heading to the back end of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu panel, click on Plugins and then go to Installed Plugins. Here, you'll find both Elementor and Elementor Pro listed in your plugin section. If Elementor Pro is not yet activated, you'll see a purple Connect and Activate button next to it. Click on that button to begin the activation process. You'll be redirected to elementor.com, the official Elementor website. On this page, first, uncheck the box that asks if you want to become a super contributor, as it's totally optional. Then click on the Connect and Activate button. Once that's done, you'll be taken back to the back end of your website, specifically to the Elementor license settings page. Now, you should see the status showing as active, which means Elementor Pro is successfully activated on your WordPress site. That's it! You're good to go! If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.